First step, open house signs. Always make sure you have a ton of open house signs. I usually recommend 20 to 25. Spread them all throughout the community. Make sure that they start on the highways, cross streets, and then they lead back to the house. Check with your HOA, check with your city regulations to make sure that your size, height, colors, all those match exactly what they want. Otherwise, they're gonna end up taking them down. The next thing is you wanna make sure those open house signs are up. All of them need to be placed at least 20 minutes before your actual open house starts. If you have any more questions on open house signs, I did a huge video on this that really does a deep dive into the strategy behind how you set up your signs, where you put them, what order you put them in, when you take them down, when you put them up, and the actual design on it. It's time to go ahead and move on to the second tip. All right, so if you enjoyed our content and it was useful, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe down below. Or if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, make sure to reach out to us. You can give us a call, you can send us an email, you can even send me a text message. All of our information is in the description. Look forward to hearing from you.